guys, we're going to do number 1. Now we have, this is going to be the tutorial video for line number 1 for the trumpet, baritone, tenor sax, and alto sax. Okay? So let's look at line 1. Line 1 for the baritones. What's your note there for a baritone?
High F.
High F. So you're going to use your high face. What about for trumpet? What's your note at line 1? That's okay. Let's figure it out together. Everybody hold up your hands.
On this side.
That's okay. Hold up your hands. Ready? 1, 2, ready, line. E, G, B, D, F. E, G, B, D, F. These are the lines of my treble clef. So for trumpet, if you're looking at line 1, what line is it on? When you're looking at line 1, is G, you see the circle there? What line is it on? G? Yeah. So the note is G. Yep. So now for the trumpet, you're going to be 0 fingers and a high face. Okay? For tenor sax, what letter is it for you?
G.
G, 3 fingers. And for alto sax?
All 6.
All 6.
Mm-hmm.
All right, now how long are we going to hold our note for?
4 beats.
4 beats. We call this the whole note because it takes up a whole G. Okay. Let's find our sweet spot all together. Let's play our first note. Play your first note. Let's find it. Now it's all about controlling the sound. I'm going to count you off. When I count you off, have your instrument already in your face. Keep your eyes looking at the page, because what we're doing, even if you can memorize what it is, your eyeballs need to learn what the note looks like. Okay? Horns are up, sitting up nice and tall, set your face. 1 and 2 and ready. Freeze.
I know what's been making my instrument sound like. My leg instrument, it wasn't on. It was like,
Oh.
So every time I've been playing, it keeps making noise.
Yeah, for reed instruments, we always have to check our ligatures and our reeds. So yeah, for clarinet, if it's not equal, it's not going to work very well. Okay. All right. Let's do line number 1 again. Let's get the perfect sound. Only 4 beats, so make sure you stop on beat 1. Okay? Clarinets are on G, tenor saxes are on G, trumpets are on G, baritones are on F, saxes are on D. Set your face. Hear the note in your head before you play it. 1 and 2 and ready. 2, ready. Not bad. Now, at the end of the note, make sure we don't let it go. Because you can be like, I did it. And then if you relax your face before you stop your air, it sounds like you fell off the cliff. Yeah, overall is very nice. All right, let's look at line number 2. These are quarter notes. First thing we do is we clap and count it. 1 and 2 and clap and count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and rest. 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and rest. Now, how do I make a quarter note on my instrument? What do I do
You articulate.
I articulate. What does that mean?
Tongue.
Tongue. If I am a reed instrument, if I'm a clarinet or a saxophone, what is my tongue touching?
The tip of the
Yeah. Now, if I'm a brass player, a French horn or a trumpet or a baritone, I'm touching the roof. The roof. The roof is on articulation. All right, let's play it. One, and set your face. Look at the music. Your eyeball should be looking at the circles, the note heads. Okay, 1 and 2 and set and. One, 2, ready, freeze. So sometimes when we tongue, it can make our notes wobbly, right? We got to keep our face still on the outside and lots of air coming from our bellies to keep it steady. Let's do it again. 1 and 2 and ready. No, me too.
I almost missed it, but I just like that.
Okay, here's what I want you to do. Think about lots of air and you're sitting up nice and tall. Because when you curl over, it makes your air a little squish.
Every time I hear her play the flute, I'm like, I don't like my instrument.
No, I want saxophone. All right, let's do it again. 1 and 2 and ready, freeze. That was better. Now, is it perfect?
Nope. Because I missed the first note off the second. I'm playing my turn.
It was better than last time. Let's see if we can do it perfect. Okay, stay right on top of that click. 1 and 2 and ready, breathe. Now that happens sometimes, right? We have somebody, don't throw eyeballs, because everybody will make a mistake at one point or another. Silences are almost more important than rests, because if one person's silence is faster, they're going to come in early and have an awkward solo. Okay? Now I loved the fact that you guys were like, hey, it's okay. A kid made a mistake, but we're going to stay on the music, and you didn't follow them. That shows that you were really strong in what you were reading. And when somebody makes a mistake, we rely on our teammates to pull us back into place. Let's do it again. Uh-huh. 1 and 2 and ready. Breathe.
I messed up. After like the second to last one, I lifted up the last up a little bit.
Want to do it one more time? Make it perfect. Yeah? Let's make it perfect. Is it getting easier the more times we play it? Yeah. All right. Nice and high. 1 and 2 and ready.
Almost mastered the teenager smile.
I think it's pretty good. All right, here, I'm going to stop recording. That was the tutorial for lines 1 and 2.